Today we're gonna make these adorable Easter blossoms, peanut butter cookies with Easter colors. To get started on making our Easter blossoms, we're gonna first start with our peanut butter, butter, and sugars. So we're gonna do 3/4 cup of peanut butter. So measure this out here. You can use any peanut butter favorite brand. So we have our peanut butter, and now I'm gonna mix in our sugars, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of butter. Room temperature. I've melted a little bit. Now we're gonna whisk this together, blend this together with the hand mixer so it's nice and creamy. One egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I make these cookies all year long. I have them on my site for Christmas. I'll make them just any time of the year, but then for Easter, we're gonna do a nice little twist and make them for our Easter blossoms. I'm gonna mix this in. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So we have our flour. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now we'll slowly add that to our mixture. So now I'm gonna take this dough, I'm gonna make sure this is all nice and well combined, and we're gonna actually put this in the refrigerator. You could do it overnight, but you need to at least put it in the fridge for about 40 minutes so it gets set before we roll them into cookies. So I've taken the dough out of the fridge. I have all different fun Easter colors of sanding sugar so that we're gonna roll our cookies in. So I'm gonna do balls in about 1 inch, and I'm gonna then roll it in sanding sugar. We'll put that right on the tray. I've taken them out of the oven, about 12 minutes in there. Let it cool for a minute or two. You don't want them to be super hot when we put our Hershey Kisses in, but I've let them cool for a minute now, so I'm gonna carefully press them down. Look how beautiful this orange color is for Easter. It's so cute, colorful. I love the pink as well. Our beautiful Easter blossoms are ready to eat. I can't wait to dig in. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store where you can purchase my must-haves.